सो सिंपल ट्यूटोरियल। यदि आपके अंगूठे में दर्द है, यदि आपको लाइक, शेयर या सब्सक्राइब करने में कष्ट होता है, तो मान्यवर ये वीडियो आपके लिए नहीं है। आपसे विनम्र निवेदन है कि आप इसे छोड़कर जा सकते हैं। Good morning students, welcome to SST So Simple Tutorial. We know that farming is the main economic activity of Palampur. We have discussed everything, land, labor and capital through the story of Palampur. Today we will discuss the non-farm activities of Palampur. Okay, 75% of people in Palampur are engaged in farming. The rest 25% are engaged in non-farming activities like dairy, small-scale manufacturing, shopkeeping or transport. Let us look at them one by one. First, dairy. I hope all of you understand what dairy means. Dairy refers to milk and food products made from milk like curd, cheese, butter, etc. Dairy is a common activity in many families of Palampur. People have kept buffaloes. They already have enough jowar, bajra and other kinds of grasses to feed the animals. They sell milk in Raiganj, the nearby large village. Then in Shahpur, there are two traders who have set up a collection cum chilling centers at Raiganj, from where milk is transported to far away towns and cities. Next is small scale manufacturing. At present, less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. They do not have big production units. Manufacturing is carried out mostly at home or in fields with the help of family labor on a small scale, which does not require hiring of laborers. There is an example of Mishri Lal who produces jaggery, that is gur. Mishri Lal has purchased a mechanical sugarcane crushing machine that runs on electricity. He has set up this machine in his field. Besides using his own sugarcane, he also buys sugarcane from other farmers to make jaggery. The jaggery is then sold to traders at Shahpur. Thus, Mishri Lal is able to make a small profit. The third is shopkeeping. There are not many shopkeepers in Palampur. Actually, the traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale markets in the cities and sell them in the village. This is actually a general scene in the villages. You will see many small general stores selling a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candles, even notebooks, pen, pencil. Even some sell clothes. Few families whose houses are close to the bus stand have used a part of the space to open small shops. They sell eatables. This is also a very common scene in many places. Near the bus stops you will find small shops selling tea, samosa and other eatables. There is one more story of Kareem. In recent years, many students have been attending college in Shahpur town. Kareem found that several students from the village are also attending computer classes in the town. There were two women in the village who had a degree in computer applications. So Kareem opened a computer class center in the village. He employed both these women. He bought computers and set up the classes. High school students and then started attending them in good numbers. Lastly, transportation. In the very first class we had discussed that they have very good roads and varieties of vehicles are seen plying on these roads. We can consider all these people, rickshawala, tangawala, jeep, tractor, truck drivers and people driving the traditional bullock carts and bogies engaged in transport services. They carry passengers and goods from one place to another and in return get paid for it. There is one more story of Kishora. Kishora is a farm laborer. Kishora found it difficult to meet his family's needs from the wages that he received. See, the government runs many programs to help landless poor households by giving them cheap loans. Kishora took a loan from the bank under such a scheme. He bought a buffalo with this money. He now sells milk. In addition to this, he has attached a wooden cart to his buffalo and uses it to transport various items. Once a week, he goes to the river Ganga to bring black clay for the potter. This is how Kishora supplements his income. Kishora is now able to earn more than what he used to do some years back. let me stop here, students. Now read your books. In the next video, we will do one short revision of this lesson. Till then, enjoy reading and have a nice time. Thank you.